one more quick breaking update, and this is also from the state of Gujarat. We are learning that Ahmed Patel's son, Faisal Patel, likely to be given a ticket to fight from Bharuch in the Lok Sabha elections of 2019. Priyanka breaking that story for us. Priyanka, what really are his credentials? Just the fact that he's Ahmed Patel's son?
Ahmed Patel proves himself to be once again the torchbearer of the dynastic politics that Congress really follows, because he has been heavily lobbying with the Congress leadership to get Faisal Patel his ticket for the Lok Sabha elections from Bharuch, which is very interesting because this just a moment ago we broke that story that they have also been talking to Chotu Wasawa to step away from the Bharuch constituency and take any other tribal belt to fight from that particular tribal constituency and leave Bharuch constituency for Faisal Patel. Bharuch, remember, is a very, very strong hold of Ahmed Patel. It's his constituency. So that's why there have been very heavy lobbying efforts. And what we can also tell you right now is that tomorrow Faisal Patel will be coming to Bharuch and he will be talking to party workers, talking to several other followers of Ahmed Patel as well. Several other Congress leaders are expected to join him there. And there might be a meeting between Chotu Wasawa, Faisal Patel and several other Gujarat leadership of the Congress party as well. So of course, but the most shocking part of this bit of information is that Ahmed Patel has only been lobbying with the high command of the Congress party to get his son his own constituency for the Lok Sabha elections. There are no credentials, like you very rightly said. There is no work that Faisal Patel can really show himself for. Only the fact that he is Ahmed Patel's son is his credentials as of now, and that's what Ahmed Patel has been working on, to get his son his own constituency for the Lok Sabha elections in Bharuch and to get Chotu Wasawa to step away and go to contest elections from Bardoli or other constituencies that have a tribal following of Chotu Wasawa as well. So this is the kind of lobbying efforts and meetings that are going on right now. What we can tell you, it's of course a very primary effort right now. We will find out tomorrow as to what kind of answers Chotu Wasawa really gives and whether or not if the Congress leadership really allows Faisal Patel to be given a ticket from Bharuch. But of course that doesn't seem to be much of a work, because Ahmed Patel has been lobbying very, very hard for Faisal Patel to be given a Congress ticket from Bharuch for this Lok Sabha elections, Deepti.